Alrighty. Good morning, Chad. Sorry for the late start. Hope everyone is doing well. Who was buying gold this morning? Be honest. Who was buying gold? I can feel the chat is a little... The chat is a little rough. Who was buying gold? Be honest, we don't judge here. We listen, but we do not judge. I can feel some of the chat has been trying to buy gold. Talk to me. Who bought gold? Drop a 1 if you were trying to buy gold. Who bought gold? Thank you so much. Alright, we've got one honest person. Thank you for your honesty there. We at least have one honest person in the chat. I sold and still got clapped. Okay.
Oh, Chad.
Rixie, why are you trading before the market has opened up, my brother?
For those of you that know, the sell played out. It was an exact copy and paste of our trade of yesterday, but unfortunately I missed it though.
Alrighty, Chad. Kigo's joining me here today. Benang needs to sort out his permits and his visas and all of the rest, so He's busy with that. And we're going to get started. I hope you guys are ready. As always, we are going to pray here. And because I've seen Keegan on ChatGPT how to pray a strong prayer that bursts through the ceiling, I can see his chat history there with ChatGPT. And the man has been going to men's group and to church on Sunday. So I already phoned the contractor. They are outside after this prayer to quickly fix the roof. But Kigo, will you open us up with a prayer there, my brother?
All right, Chad, bow our heads and let's get ready. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us forth before you again. It has been an incredible week. I think we want to start this prayer by praying for gratitude. Gratitude to be here, to be surrounded by the people we are surrounded by, to have the amazing community that we have, to be able to strive every single day to be better, to do what we love, to pursue our passions, our dreams, our hobbies, and the idea that one day we always become closer and closer and closer. It is a very, very tough environment in this time and this industry that we're in. The same for other people, that every industry that they're in, whether it's physical labor, whether it's medicine, whether it's law, or whether it's these charts that we look at every single day. We pray that you be with us. We always think life is difficult, but every single day we go through different difficulties, whether that is fighting for hunger or whether that is just going through decisions we have to be made. But I always pray that you guide us with that overprotecting hand, making us make the right decisions, leading us on the righteous path. Every time that we stray away, that you lead us back. Lord, as we get ready to finish up this week, I just pray that you be with us again. Be with us, protect us, care for us, and nurture us with that blessing and gracious heart of yours. And we pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Taryn, your contractors can come in just this ceiling. I don't know if there's collateral damage on the other ceilings, but they can come in. Thank you so much. Amen. 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 Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks, Kigo. Chad, y'all, we've got to quickly blitz through these charts. It seems that the data is going to come out today, so things can really get wild here. We've got September CPI coming out. We've got August CPI coming out.
With all the PMIs.
Chad, it's going to be a very, very busy day. Will you just pop... Okay, so Chad, we in for a day, okay? So this morning we've got some PMIs coming out of Europe. It is really going to be a good day with volume. So if you're on the right side, things can really look good for you. On the daily dollar index, let's quickly talk about it. Dollar still holding within that zone. All right, beautiful. We can see there. I'm going to try my best to blitz through this analysis. Yesterday, closing bearish again, taking a previous daily high. Effectively, we've got a minor little resistance area there, but effectively, we haven't broken structure to the upside. So today's daily candle is going to determine where we go for the rest of the week, next week. Okay, so daily is a little unclear. It's leaning towards the bear side. It could go super bullish if the data comes out. Could go super bearish. So for me, very simple this morning. This zone right here. Two zones. First zone is going to be this one right here. Holds above bullish. Holds below bearish. And then we're going to have to watch this daily zone. This minor little daily zone here. And after that, if the dollar gives up this level, it is gone. And it will just absolutely melt. All right. US 30 on the daily, let's have a look here. Yesterday, closing week bullish. Remember what I said yesterday? Cannot be bearish based off one daily candle. We are effectively still in bullish order flow here. We can clearly see that highs are getting higher and lows are getting higher as well. And beautiful bullish day. Also, what gave it away is that if you've been on these streams, if we take a previous daily low and we fail to hold below it, that is bullish. Okay, so go watch yesterday's stream. I talked about it. We took the previous daily low. I was tilted towards the bull side. Okay, for this session, no bottom wick. We actually have a little bit of a gap there. So very, very simple terms for me for the rest of the session. Asia high. That's all you need to focus on. Holds, we're going higher. Closures back, we're going for that gap fill, and after that we're going to have to reassess what's happening at that stage of the day. NASDAQ, okay, NASDAQ, same thing. Confirmed resistance yesterday, price breaking new all-time highs. Do we hold above? I don't know. Is this the last hurrah before we come back in the range? We're going to have to see, but similar to a previous daily low, if we hold above a previous daily high, that is absolutely bullish for us. So this zone right here holds above this zone and we are bullish. Holds below this zone, we are bearish. Daily flip, Asia lows. Okay. Gold. Goldie. Alrighty. Goldie giving us a quick little snippet. Did you get a full snip yesterday? Or did you close?
No, I got the snip. So, I was still 4% up yesterday.
No, but I mean the afternoon.
No,
I got
snipped. So
it looked good.
We had a 2.5 R return yesterday, and then we gave back the half.
Okay.
In New York.
So I also got the snip yesterday. Chat, so remember yesterday I spoke about we cannot be bearish as of yet, but if today's daily candle closes something like this, I do think that the correction is in full swing. Alright, if we get a candle like this, but if we do get something quite bullish to the upside like that, I actually think that we can potentially go into a little bit of a range consolidation here. And then from there, either get our nice big move out of this range, or we are then going to start our move to a deeper retrace. So today, a little bit delicate, a little bit sensitive. So trade with caution. If you didn't know, these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do suggest you consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision. All right, and if your financial advisor comes onto the stream asking you what account size to use, that is a good time to get a new financial advisor. Almost like my financial advisor yesterday asking me. All right, so I don't know if Andre is here. Andre, we need to chat. I think I'm gonna just tear up that letter of appointment after the stream. Alright, ladies and gents, for me, very simple. Clean break below Asia lows. We are below the 200 EMA. We are below the point of control. I'm looking to sell gold from here. Okay, that's why I asked who was buying gold when yesterday, days before that, we said the 200 EMA is an absolute monster. Buys only above, sells beneath. Okay, if that's the only thing you take away from these streams and we never see you again, we've put you in good hands already. So we are in sell mode now. We can only get back bullish once we are above the 200 EMA, but for now, I'm purely looking for shorts on gold. And then DAX, last but not least, on the daily, I don't actually know. Yeah, okay. DAX, let me do this. Okay, so DAX yesterday closing back inside of this range. So I would expect DAX now for the day to potentially go up to either one of these two highs. We've got two minor little zones there. Also trading above previous daily high. As long as we hold above that previous daily high, we are solid. And now looking for the rest of the session. If we hold above this zone, we are also solid for some bullish continuations. All right, chat, that was the rapid fire analysis. I'm going to go over to Kigalezi.
All right, Chad. So, yeah, starting off with the dollar. What can we expect here today? Going to be very, very interesting. I think a lot of the dollar's action today is going to rely on if those events do come out. Obviously, it's still tentative, but there is a lot of talk that it is coming out today. So I think seeing CPI and PMI coming out, it is going to be a very, very big one here today. I'm very intrigued to see how the markets are going to handle it. And what I mean by that, Chad, quickly, is just if we are used to 150 pip move, for example, on a CPI event, and we are now moving 150 pips in a 5-minute candle,
1,500.
Do we get a very, very big move, or is it just going to look like a normal candle?
Nah, bro, it's going to be 1,500.
So I'm very intrigued to see how the markets are actually going to handle this. But as we stand right now, very, very neutral. As you can see, we're not really getting anywhere. Been a while, Jab, but I think let's see in the comments who knows what we actually call these type of candles. This one over there, please let me know. I obviously know what we call it, but I want to see. It's been a while since I've actually seen one, so give me a heads up there if you guys know what candle that is. It is an inverse something, Chad, before I give it away. But let's have a look here. Yeah.
On what chart?
The daily.
On what?
On dollar.
Inverse candle. Let me see. Yo, I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, it's not a shooting star. There we go. John just said inverse hammer. There we go. Beautiful stuff, guys. The shooting star, the only difference is the shooting star is a little bit of a bottom wick still. That had no bottom wick. But just a little bit of candle anatomy. Day 10 of Know Your Candles with Kikalezi. But we're going to get into it. Yeah, we can see it trading back down, guys, under the EQ. If this does hold, can go a bit bearish. But I personally think we might get about the daily pivot. And I think this is going to basically stay around here till the CPI and those events come out. So we'll see what happens there. And then let's see. But I do think a little bit more of a pullback to that daily. Then going over to US 30. Again, same idea there. Still a little bit neutral. We had the idea of actually continuing bearish yesterday, but coming right back into it. And the reason I'm going to be neutral is two things. This can purely just be the pullback to that weekly pivot, or weekly R1, my apology. And we did also close underneath. The second thing is this daily has no bottom wick. So if this does hold this resistance and this candle does start to flip, we are going to see that move downside, especially those lows to be taken out. And again, depending how these events come out, if we get a very big day, we could see that weekly pivot come into play, as that is still not being tested. So we're just going to watch out for that. But as you start breaking down the lower time frames, you're going to see exactly what we're talking about. Trading up nicely, holding those areas, and again, key areas we know quite well. The weekly R1, previous daily high. So if this does fail, we get back underneath previous daily high and back into the Asia range. Good chance we're going for Asia lows and then previous weekly high to see if that is swept or a reversal area. Then lastly, quickly with gold, we have 4 minutes left. Gold, I am still a little bit more bearish. Now, again, there is a potential chance of a buy here. I'm not going to completely shut it off, but I do like to sell. Why do I like to sell? In this term, as much as we've done this, we haven't done anything on inside day, never took a high, never took the low, but still closing over there. So in this idea that it was an inside day, we're going to see it more as a pause candle. It being a pause candle goes down to the idea that yesterday, you guys will remember, when we drew out this zone, it looks like Keegan, you just drew on a random block on 2 wicks. You're going to see that as we start dropping down. The big idea for us there was these areas of the highs, as you guys can see on the left, and the top of it being that psychological 4150. For me personally, yesterday, if we were going to see gold have that bullish momentum turn around, we firstly would have wanted to see a strong bullish closure, and secondly, a really good idea would have been, hey, if we could have got above that 4150 halfway mark. Again, nonetheless, we tested it and we did see the turnaround. Now, the big thing for me is that's where the sell-off is going to come today. So very similar to yesterday's trade, without breaking it down too much for the guys. What I would have wanted this morning, and unfortunately we were in a meeting, so I missed it, was I wanted the sell. So this would have been the sell right here. And again, this you would have been able to run your 50 pip stop, purely because if it broke back into Asia lows and did that, the trade would have been invalidated. But the big reason for why I like this trade was, again, so you have Asia lows, and this is not only your test, but it's also your fake out. with Asia highs. We tried to go higher, failing, and again we spoke about this, purely holding at 200. If we re-broke Asia lows, especially after a third test, if we broke it, I'd want to see volume, and this was the perfect play that you saw a drive without it. And the idea behind this, again, you would have probably just gone the 1 to 2, nice quick 100 pips, and there would have been your trade. So again, that's what we were waiting for, had the alert set, but at the end of the day still did miss the trade. So we're going to see what else we can get into. But for now, I am actually going to be a bit more on the bearish side for gold today. But chat, that's everything from me. Cribbo, to my brother, here's your horn. Hi Chris, I've been trading for some time, have done paid subscriptions. I think your education is on point. I am a financial advisor. I love it when you speak to your advisor. We should chat.
Why do you say that, Chris? I've been... We should chat. Alrighty. Okay, chat. 1 minute. Why is everybody's names different now? Is it...
What do you mean?
Like... Amina's got 72459.
I remember it did this a while ago,
and then it changed back.
We've
got Dave Vermeer giving away his date of birth there, 1964. I'm kidding, Dave Vermeer is not that old. YouTube glitch. Okay, I changed my name this morning again. Dwayne 445. Alrighty, ladies and gents, hope you guys are ready for a good session. Okay, gold is the one. YouTube trying their unique feature again for lives. Is that actually a thing? Unique feature. Chad, with that being said, markets are open and in motion. Get ready for 2 wild rounds this morning. Ding, ding, ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight!
See what we can get into, Chad. I'm still hanging out, nothing I've taken yet. So we are just waiting. YouTube not allowing you to hide now. There you go. Is TG's open next month to join? It will be. 50 is lurking, but not yet, Chris. Let's see over here. Ding, ding, ding. Jason, be 23 by heart. I'm 29. Let's see.
Where's Big B this morning? I haven't seen Big B clock in. There's Big B. Let's just see. Otherwise, this you can't start without Big B. From Wolverhampton, England. English. Good morning, good morning. Where's Big B? Let me send him a WhatsApp.
Let's see.
I'm asking Big B where he is. Would he not send me in the UK? What a pancake. Hey, Big B. I love
Way
it. I
in the
love
UK.
it. I love it.
Like, damn, bro. I wouldn't have figured that one out.
What a legend. All right, Chad. Big B is back. Okay, so you guys can calm down, take it easy. And we've got a Plomena special as well. So I think it's going to be a good day when we've got Be Easy and PZ
PZ.
all in the building. Chad, Brian is busy completing his book, How to Successfully Manage Middle-Aged Women from Aggressive European Countries. So I think that's going to the publisher at the end of the year. So for you guys, I want to do what Brian does. He's actually getting a book out there, How to Manage Middle-Aged Women. I'm definitely getting it. He asked me some insights as well. I'm also married to a middle-aged lady that's quite intense. Keegs or Chris can answer. I've purchased a one-step challenge. Any advice on risk? I love how any advice on risk management. There you go, my brother. CPI meets expert. Dude, I'm honestly not gonna trade the news. I've never. This is gonna be a first for everybody. I've never gone into a news event where we've got 2 months worth of data being dropped at once. So, new to the channel, what is the strategy behind your trading style? The strategy is to try and get out on top at the end of every month. So to try and finish green. Some months we do, some months we don't. But that is effectively the strategy. Let me know how that's going to work out for you, Chris. If Brian says it's near completion, then it's true. Jordan, I think it's all to do based on your stats, my brother. So if you know you've got a 60% win rate, then you know you're going to take 4 losses. So I would say then plan your risk accordingly so that you don't get yourself in a bad position after 4 trades. So always plan for the worst, expecting the best. Been a hard push to finish. I get told from other half you're not putting that in there. Must you pay double for these influencer for backlog news events? That they might do you a double and say, listen, you're 400 Rand because we're giving you a double CPI and a double NFP. Alrighty, chat. Let's see how the markets have opened up here. US 30, NASDAQ. I just want a nice little push for gold there. Nice little push. Keegs, I see you didn't like Daisy's post from yesterday. Everything okay at home? That wasn't me, bro. Let me actually go see what Daisy posted. I didn't initiate any of that. You can go through my WhatsApp. I didn't, but let me go. I didn't initiate that. If you think, let me go see what Daisy posted.
I genuinely didn't see it, so I don't even know what we're talking about now.
There's some hip mobility.
What was it?
No, don't ask me. You follow. I don't follow. I had to go search.
That's this man. He's like, I don't follow it, but he knows her Instagram handle of what.
This is unreasonable. It's actually unreasonable what this is busy with.
Wouldn't trade like a demo. Hey, what is the boys working up here?
Daisy is setting some unrealistic expectations for some of the middle-aged women out there. Hi.
What do you mean middle-aged, bro? She's young.
How do you know she's young?
Because have you not seen her compete?
So you watch her compete.
I watched all of the athletics, bro.
Keegs is setting a trap for himself, yeah. I'm not doing anything. Nah, yes, dude. Daisy, you can see Daisy is quite active in the gym.
And I'm setting myself up here.
Hi, Daisy. Now, I just follow more for like for the mobility. She's got a mobility plan in her links.
Mobility plan.
Bro, I
right.
promise you there. Get loose with Daisy. It's called the Daisy Loose program.
No, hell,
Nah,
right,
bro.
you know, I'm not even gonna laugh. So this was so bad, Chad. We were walking out the shops the other day, and
Are you gonna throw me under the bus now?
no,
Okay.
I'm not. We were walking out of the shops the other day, and this was after we had that conversation, and I still remember how we were laughing because in my head I'm sitting there picturing like hail damage. Like, what is this man on about? Like, that's a new one. True as nuts. We walk out the shops, and there's this mama in front of us, bro, and she's wearing like gym tights.
Wow, you could see
And
it
you
through
just
the
see that, and I'm like, yo, it really does look like hail damage.
Oh, it looks like she was tanning, and then all of a sudden a hailstorm hit. Chris can't be thrown under the bus when you drive the bus. No, man, Brian. No, stop that.
Oh.
I always said, Chad, you can be fat and ugly, or you can choose to just be ugly. And
You know, Chad, I did see this little friendly, marketable bobblehead though. On Miss Williams's post there.
Hi, Keeks.
Ah,
I blocked Steph Williams, bro. I blocked her. The Bible says if your eye is gonna let you stray, you poke it out. Bro, she's blocked. I can't even. Let me see. I did block her. Yeah, I can't. Bro, the Bible clearly says. Oh no, I didn't block her. Hi.
oh, the truth comes out.
Hi, Steph. Just Steph.
Yeah.
Brian, do you follow Steph Williams?
Yo.
You have to be very close to God.
You send link there for Steve.
No, but okay, Brian, I'm gonna be honest now. I don't like the lean Steph. I like the bulkier Steph. She's way too. Let me send the link to Brian.
There you go, Brian. Your mentor is gonna send you his guilty pleasure.
Hi, Keeks. Let me just clear the search history. My goodness. What is going on here? Yo. Okay. How the turntables.
E.T., I'm gonna say no because I don't even know how to say that. At this point, I don't even
Hattie.
know if that's a boy or a girl.
It is getting us into trouble, yeah.
E.T., this is like an OnlyFans person, bro. Are you getting us into trouble?
Yeah, but Ati looks like a cyborg, Iti. Her face. It's like bro, she literally looks like Cyborg, the MMA fighter's sister. I'm gonna show you Cyborg now.
Is she actually like a competitor, Etty? Because that's a bit hectic for just a fitness influencer. Does she compete?
Keeks, quickly look on the screen. This is Chris Cyborg. Don't tell me that does not look like a sister. There's Cyborg, bro. Bro, is this Cyborg's sister?
Yes, okay. I was gonna say she had to be a competitor. Cribber being one of them car group guys sending links.
No, I'm not.
Brian, I think that's today's market, bro. Very profitable industry.
Cold plungers.
Just a Pilates studio, cold plunges, and then when they're done, you must just serve matcha.
Matcha, yeah. Matcha,
I know you're doing something wrong if you clear the spreadsheet.
I think Pilates is going to become the second running club.
Could be.
The boys go there and it's like, hey, Jen, you look incredible. Oh, John, you don't look bad either. Yeah, it's just got to loosen up, eh? Sitting in front of these charts many hours a day, back gets quite stiff. Oh, John, talking about stiff. How's your wife? I don't know. She's good. She's...
Oh, Carl, I see some guy's profile straight on the local gym ladies here in PE. I know there's nothing there I can get in cuck for, so I know I'm safe.
Ah, is there some...
100, bro, every single one there's a friend. We always spoke about, like, if I'm, like, for example, there's, okay, and then when I'm saying this, because I know Chris is going to go, we are not talking, like, OnlyFans posts. They're posting gym photos, things like that. I know I won't get in cuck for that.
I love how Keegan is trying to convince.
I know that, bro. You can ask, Kate can come in here now.
I
That's
love
like
how-
being like, Keeks, why did you like Karen's photo? Why did you like this one's photo? Like,
It's just a friend, Caitlin.
nah, that one I know I'm safe.
She's just
I know
a
they haven't
friend.
done anything. There, I'm safe.
Yeah, Nazam, no.
Eddie, she's lesbian. Must be.
No man should ever be in a Pilates class. Alright. I'm watching you guys. You guys know that we've got the running clubs on radar, and I see the boys joining Pilates. We're gonna expose this Pilates industry. Keeks, maybe we just go for one session, just see if it's safe for the boys.
Eddie, you can't tell me she's not.
Who's
if
that?
you pull her up, okay, hold on, Chris. Honest opinion
Who's
now. Is it Sarah? Eh?
Wait, is
Sarah Safari. But go
that
there, bro.
sounds like a stripper name. And now we've got Sarah Safari.
She's like one of the boys, but still she's cute. Nah, bro, 100% she's lesbian. 100%. I know she always talks about people think she's lesbian, but she 100% is.
Bro, Eti's got a unique taste in women, eh?
Do you see her? I'm convinced she's lesbian.
Sarah.
But she's like a proper, like a gym bro in that sense.
Nah, Sarah, it's not for me.
The boys are always trying these clubs to pat the fellow trainers on the butt. Hey. I like some olive skin.
No, look, Brian, I wouldn't chirp you if this, like, but it's not for me. Stephanie Williams, it is for me.
Liking the photos of other baddies, Keeks. What baddies are we talking of now, guys? I swear you guys are just out to get me in cuck for something. I don't know where. I like the fact that Chris is just searching the name. That explore page is gonna be chalked after this, bro.
Let me actually see what it's gonna look like. No, it's fine. It's X-rays, a lady getting stung by bees. Nah, it's clean watches.
Ah,
Nah, it's clean, chat. Promise you, there's my For You page. Ugh.
Keeks don't listen to them, they want to implicate you here. Nah, Chad, I promise you.
Ah,
I'll even
clean.
give you guys credit, eh? I know I even stepped back. After that day you guys gave me cuck, I was like, fine. Chad wants to be like this. I will make sure. If I don't know you, I don't like the photo.
There we go, Kigo.
So that's what I still said. If it is for example, a gym photo, if I genuinely know the person, we're friends, I'll like it. But otherwise,
Do you see this new update? Where you can prompt your stories.
wait, what?
Put- I thought, what was this that he was busy with yesterday?
No more. So no more bobblehead. No, bro. No more bobblehead. The bobblehead days are gone.
John and I really don't have one. That's the... I remember my phone lays around for most of this. Kids watch YouTube, kids on it. My wife sometimes uses, I don't want to be that guy that needs to hide my phone and close stuff and be like, oh, where's my phone? Hey, Nila. $256, only 82 likes. Yeah, chat, if you can do us a massive favor, drop a like on the stream if you have not done so yet. Really appreciate it. And then obviously big shout out to you guys yesterday for all of the donations. I think we're gonna quickly plan today what are we gonna buy to put in those 70 bags that you guys also helped with 24-hour stream. So really do appreciate you guys with open hearts yesterday, and it will really go for a very good cause. Yeah, luckily, I mean, on the kids' devices, there's a parent setting, so anything that it prompts on our phones, so they can't download stuff. Yeah, I'm very strict with that. Chris, I just want to thank you for bringing me in the cuck yesterday at home. Hey Dane, what did I do, my brother? How did I bring you in the cuck? It's post your payslip day. Nah, I believe you, Chris. My For You page. Yeah, since we've been looking at like the travel stuff, my thing is just mostly why you shouldn't fly economy. Why business class is the best, and why you should actually fly first class. So I'm already crying inside a little bit, thinking we're gonna sit in economy. So I need to really step it up now before the end of the year to get those last minute upgrades. Dwayne, what did I do, my brother? Let me know. Keeks, I wonder if the markets are going to go in limp mode for the news.
Could.
My fiance said, "You're so sweet, why can't I be like that?" Hey, Dwayne, it's I'm more in the cuck than having sweet moments. So you can tell your wife that. So I'm not nearly the perfect husband, but I try. Alrighty. Gigs, you know there's going to be a time when this is going to be normal again, where you're going to have to slog it out for 30 minutes to get 50.
Yeah, I'm not excited for that.
And the weird thing is there's guys that have blown their accounts in this little range here.
Right, give me that look here.
Jy weet wat sê as jy hoes word jy ge...
Man, it's getting aggressive here, Chad.
Yo, bro, I never got into the chat rooms. Guys were always like, yo, we're on this collegiate hockey group. And I'm like, bro, I don't even know where to get these groups. Yo, bro, this entire office, but you fine, eh? There's no like, you don't feel sick or anything.
No, for me, it's just my allergies, my sinus and stuff.
You were also in the BBM era, eh?
Yeah, Mixer, BBM, all that good stuff.
Feels like a different time back then, BBM.
Bro, you know what always amazed me was like how BBM got so big, and then it was like overnight it just died.
Have you not watched that movie about BlackBerry?
No.
Go watch it. There's I think it's on Netflix. It's about the entire BlackBerry story of how they went from where they were, how they crashed, all of that.
Like they became a powerhouse, and then just.
stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
Like paint drying. This is where trading it stuff. BBM show what I'm listening to. Guys watching the black and orange app had no excuse for being caught.
Bro, I'll never forget that. This is not even a word of a lie. We had a mate who got caught with that on Mixit.
How do you mean get caught?
So there was a feature that came out to the end of it with Mixit where it showed what you were listening to. And if you go onto
Onto?
the black and orange website,
What is the black and orange website?
It's still media you're watching. And
What black
would
and
show
orange
up
website?
on the bad side of YouTube.
Is it YouTube?
Oh, bro.
What do you mean the bad
It's
side
the
of it?
social hub.
Trader.
But, yeah, being like, had to go to your mate to be like, bro, I can see what you're watching.
Bro, I don't know even how. I never even knew that existed till I think I was third year university.
Wait, what's that?
The dark hub.
Serious?
I promise you, bro. Like, I never even knew something like that existed, bro. No, I swear, 50 cal. Okay, Keegs, you're gonna take it. I'm gonna put it on your screen. Keegan's got a potential trade here, ladies and gents.
It's nothing yet. Still waiting.
I'm gonna have to wait for that pullback. I can't. Let me actually see. I think 10 o'clock we'll get some volume, guys. Then we've got the PMIs coming out of the ECB. Are you gonna trade like into the event? Like before the news drops? Wow.
Told you, bro. Scared money don't make money.
Hey, there we go.
You gotta risk it for the
Hey,
biscuit.
there we go. No, I think I've got enough biscuits. Oh, so this Sunday is daylight saving that ends. So from Monday, bro, we are starting only now, 9:30. Ruan, I think it ends today, eh, Keegs? That's why we're gonna get the data. I think guys are heading back to the offices today.
Yeah, I think if that data does come out today, I think it's a good sign that it's ending.
I don't know if there will be like an official statement saying like, hey, we're open for business. Bro, so Chad, can you guys do me a favor, please? Can somebody find me the full video of this?
Okay. Boom. Big Shaq. Ota Asni. Scoop no. Rat no. Usna. Ota the girl them as well. Boom. 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park. That girl was a uckers. When the thing went quack, 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 you man were ducking. Old tight Asni, he's got a pumpy. Old tight my man, he's got a frisbee. I trap on the road, moving that cornflakes. Rice crispy. Old tight my girl Whitney. Perfect. On the road doing 10 toes. Lama toes. You man 4, I froze. I see a pen girl, then I pose. If she's not on it, I ghost. Ha! Look at your nose. What? You dickhead? Look at your nose. Nose long like garden hose. Shh. You get me? Boom. Man's gonna come back in.
Yeah.
You know like that? You're feeling that?
Yeah,
You done know. I see you shivering in that. Don't get shook, man's ear. You're protected in it, yeah?
Let's do it.
Boom. Let's go. Boom. Hop out the 4-door with the 4-4. It was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chilling in the corridor. Your dad is 44, and he's still calling man for a draw. Let him know. When I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Take man Twix by force. Send man shot by force. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. No ketchup. Just sauce. Raw sauce. Boom. Yo.
Okay, wait, Geek, so this. When you put a downpipe on your BM, this is what it sounds like.
Oh, God. The thing goes grrrr, pop, 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 pop. Skibby keep pop, pop. And the poop, 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 boom. Skia. Toot, 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 boom, boom. Boom, boom. You done know. Big Shaq. Yo, yeah. All right. Fire in the booth. You get me? Man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot. Yo, man can never be hot. Perspiration ting. Links effect. Yo.
I want to see the presenter afterwards. If you can send me the full one, I want to see. Where, if you guys can send me the link or where I can find it. What is this guy called? Big Shaq. Is it called Big Shaq? Ed. Skriboom. So I buy a downpipe from TiVo. Do you know that song, Kicks? Skriboom, boom, boom, boom.
Right, that's...
BBC Radio. I have to see what that presenter said afterwards. Last night I was searching for it. I couldn't get it. Big Shaq, BBC Radio. Man's not hot. Okay, I found it, Chad. I found it.
Of Mice and Men.
Don't have it.
By Charles Dickens.
Listen,
Charlie.
bro, you know what? Like, on the real,
Yeah.
like, man's give you opportunities to come through and put yourself out there today.
Bruv. To the left.
You got buzz. What? Like, obviously, the reason I got you up here.
Who's that? RS.
Yeah.
Hard. Yeah, hard, bruv.
Hard.
Man did English language.
Yeah.
E. You know what that is? E. Man got E for excellent. You know what that is?
Bro, does this Big Shaq guy not remind you of Messiah? Like, this could be Messiah's UK brother. Dude, think about it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Are you ready for this, G, yeah?
Come on, man's born ready and
I just wanna.
You get me? Man's not hot. I tell you, man's not hot.
Yeah.
But I know how you looking it. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't want to set the, the goons out on you. you know, like that.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Don't take me for one of these boys and that. Do you know what I'm saying? Man's really about it.
So why did you let RS take your jacket?
Who's that?
That road safety.
What did he take?
Your jacket.
He didn't take my jacket.
Apparently that leather
Hey,
jacket.
stop doing the conspiracy.
Apparently that leather jacket was yours, fam. I'm just saying, innit?
Man like Charlie, you're trying to cause the conspiracy. I don't man even say the word.
Let's just put it out there, because like
I stop causing the
controversy.
That's not one.
Conspiracy.
Conspiracy.
Conspiracy. Conspiracy.
You're not an English
Now,
teacher.
just say it.
You're not an English teacher.
Conspiracy.
That's not even what I was gonna say.
What was you gonna say then?
Something else.
Yeah.
Concentrate.
You was gonna say
I wasn't gonna say that.
So what was you gonna say then?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Concentrate.
Yeah.
Condensation.
Condensation.
C-O-N. Con. Do you understand? Man, con man's head, bruv.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But just to answer the question.
Bruv, do I look like the kind of guy that my man can violate, bruv? None of these youths say-
Apparently that leather jacket that he's rocking used to be yours.
It didn't used to be mine. It's his dad's. Yeah? Do you understand what I'm saying? His dad. His dad's a dinner lady. Yeah? Boom. Obviously, I remember he used to give man like food in primary school. You know the spaghetti oops and that. His dad used to serve it to me. Do you understand? And he used to wear that jacket behind the counter. Who wears that? When all the women are wearing the aprons, my man's dad's wearing a jacket. Do you understand? Obviously, it's a hand-me-down thing.
Yeah.
Now he got it. And boom, he come in there, he blow up, man. Don't bring up his name, cuz I don't want no comparisons. Man's not wearing different league.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Like league on my own too.
Yeah.
Old type chipmunk.
Yeah.
My brother.
Gee.
He knows, man. Chipmunk know, man, from day.
So he didn't violate you?
Who's that?
My man.
I allow that, man.
Are you sure?
You're causing conspiracy for them boy. They can't violate me. Have you seen his legs and that? He's got the bow leg thing.
Serious?
Yeah, blood.
Bow leg.
Jeans are too tight and that. Man's belt rusted it. Fam, you wanna start beef?
What's Biff?
Lad, you're gonna get me mad. You know who I am, innit?
Yeah.
You know who I roll with, innit?
I know who you are.
Yeah. You know my section.
No.
Man don't start biff. I'll lick off man's El Quife. Man just come back from holiday, yeah? Them Spanish dons out there were trying to treat man like some El Dickhead day, and that's what you're doing right now, Charlie.
Sure.
I thought we was cool and
No,
that.
we're cool.
That's mad. Man's got bare stubble on your chin. It was your birthday yesterday. You couldn't even shave for your birthday. Man couldn't shave for his birthday.
Well, what's Biff though? I just want to know that off camera I've stopped recording, innit? Like, what's Biff?
You bet, bruv. Make sure you stop recording, cause if this
Like,
comes out, bruv, I know
I'll
your
stop-
face, bruv.
Yeah, I'll stop
You understand?
recording.
I know my man's face as well, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
He's actually got the quiff that can get lifted off.
Yeah.
You've always got the hat.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So man don't really know what you're working
Yeah.
with. But obviously, man, do some quick shout out.
You hear that? Man, I don't really know what you're working with. Always have
So
that.
now,
Go on,
yeah,
man.
boom. Yo, listen, shout out my girlfriend from year 3 and that. You know, like.
Okay, sorry, chat on.
Yeah, done now.
Did they make
Hey,
this?
listen, shout me. God, man's gonna go build it's mud, raw traps ringing mud off.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah.
Alright, listen.
Leave the headphones there.
Russ. Man, weren't really trying to. I even forgot I had them on.
Yeah, bless.
Yeah? Alright, listen,
Safe.
Charlie, listen.
In a bit though.
Yeah, you done now.
Safe.
Yeah? Alright, cool.
Safe.
Big man, listen, if I see any of that stuff I told you to edit on there,
Yeah, it's
you
gone.
know,
It's gone.
make sure it's gone.
Yeah.
Your quiff can get lifted, you get me?
Your quiff. Well, I need to go enjoy this on my own. Keeks, I'm just gonna send it to you on WhatsApp. I really need to focus on this one. It's something. Wow, that was intense. Okay, sorry, Chad. I feel better now. Yo, last night okay. You had to be there. This face was funny on the internet. Okay, wait. Chad, what? I don't even know what happened there. I see they say US will continue. Big Shaq. Song is called Man's Not Hot. I'll look at Jerry now. I can't even breathe anymore. What's up with people that are allowed to speak proper English? The dude is actually a comedian. The dude is actually a comedian. The Big Shaq thing was meant as a joke until the song went viral. Yeah. Big Shaq. Kids, we have to release a Big Shaq strat now.
Is that what we're doing now?
When you enter, it's just skitty bum boom boom boom. Boom pa. TP and a withdrawal klar. Three trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. Quick math, 2
Yeah, he's loving this.
That was most probably that was probably the best piece of internet I've seen in a long time. That's the only reason why I'm on social. This was just bullshit. Alright, Chad, that was an incredible piece of internet I enjoyed last night. I must have watched that video like 5 times. It was incredible. Boom, I hit stop loss, but I took no loss.
Yeah, this man's on it, yeah.
Hi, Chad. Chad, I actually. Oh. No sauce. Just for. Chad, I think what we need to do is, you guys, I'm going to make a post. And then you guys go and comment a line, like just a lyric line, like that, for instance, no sauce, just vote. And then we're going to put it on that backtrack. And me and Keeks is going to rap it. I think that could be like it. What do you guys think? Post, no toast. Yes, Chad. That was incredible internet. Where's Big Shaq today? Is he on social media? I need to follow this guy. Is it this guy, Michael Dapper? Hands not hard. Bro, where was I when all of this was going on? Yes, you can see I was... Quick math. Chad, I'm literally just waiting for 10 o'clock and then I want to see if we don't get any volume, then I think we might. I think it might be a little bit of a roll over to NYSE. There's literally nothing I can do in this zone.
Bro, I love how you're talking about it. Messiah's on like a mission to get his M4 into the luxury car park.
Is he still doing it?
It's like day 2 hard.
Oh, let me see.
They rejected my M4. And now the second day, to them Clunger Rocks Oceans Mall. And he's parked outside there again.
Wait, what is this handle? Yeah, but the thing is, those M4s are like 800k, 700k.
I was gonna say they're like 650, 700.
6, yeah, so they're not, you can't, like, as much as it's a M. Cribbo, as far as I can see, the shutdown is still going on. Oh no. Not gonna lie, this was the first time I saw the video, Chris. Yes, dude. I've heard that last part. Like the guys made a meme of it, saying like BMW guys when they've got a downpipe that's skitty boom boom boom. But I never knew there was like an entire song behind it. So last night, yes, dude, I was. Yo,
I could just see you there, like late last night watching.
No, that really lifted my day yesterday when I saw that. And then I went on a mission and I couldn't for some reason on my phone I couldn't find the actual full one because I've seen some of that BBC radio stuff, that presenter. I don't know if it's still on. He's got quite a lacquer voice to him, that DJ voice. Is it still a thing? BBC Radio. What is the presenter's name? BBC Radio.
His name is.
Brian, what is that presenter's name? Charlie Sloth. Fire in the booth.
Alright.
What?
Chad, we are in.
Shorts. There you go, ladies and gents.
It's part of the drill. Gotta go through with it. I just want to see it over here.
Damn, bro. Charlie Sloth has got his own YouTube channel.
We're gonna run 100 pip stop, Chad. There is your 1-to-1. But we'll monitor if it gets there, what we're gonna do after that.
Jeremy Clarkson, hey. He's out of control on the soundboard. I want to get some tips for our soundboard. Actually thinking about it now. There's one I heard that I like. Okay, yeah, sorry. I have to do.
Sure.
Sorry. Okay, I don't have to do that off the stream.
Chad, you could already go break if you want to. That's already 60 pips. I'm gonna go break even purely because it can bounce off that daily S1. $50, $60W. There we go. Took TP. Great stuff, guys.
Krieger play unknown.
There we go, Chad. That's
P5.
TP. Done and dusted there for you guys. Quick 100.
Unknown P, find the booth. Do you go 50 stop or
No, we did 100 stop.
unknown P?
Party stuff. Present.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Oh man, it's got to that all-important time of the show once again. My favorite part of the show. Who that? Fire in the booth.
Oh my god.
It feels kind of mad, I can't lie.
I can't believe this, honestly.
Like, you know, like, I haven't been forced into doing this. I've done it off my own accord because, you know what I mean? I'm a big man out here.
You're so kind. You're actually so kind.
I make decisions.
You're
I
like the
ain't been
Dalai
forced.
Lama.
Sorry?
You're like the Dalai Lama, except the Dalai sort of super Lama.
Fat joke? Cool.
No. Just commenting on the sort of general aesthetic.
All right, cool.
But no, I'm seriously gassed to be here. Obviously,
You what?
started on BRM Daily. Now I'm doing a Oh, Brian Bassett. Okay, right, here we are. Charlie?
Yep.
We're about to take them to the chocolate factory.
Why you hit me with the fat jokes for?
No,
bro?
I'm not saying. I'm just saying sort of very sort of Oompa Loompa vibes going on, you know? Okay, right, so, drill. Get into my drilly meditation.
Wow.
Drill gods be with me.
Is this happening?
I should probably say shout out to my friends in prison, shouldn't I?
Okay.
Shout out to Martin and Tabitha, currently in the pen for tax evasion. Free
Damn.
my jiggers.
Mad.
Riding round in a rover. If I see ops and it's over, I'll send man straight to Jehovah when I take shots like M. Sharapova.
No, I don't like that.
I was gonna say,
No,
I
no,
don't
that's-
know where
that's-
you
that's-
are.
That's a little too try hard for me. That one is a little too try hard. UK rappers or something else. Yes, the UK rappers just hitting us with some.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna max. Hold on for my 1 to 2, so the 200 pip TP. After that, I will not take anything. I'm basically moving the TP as the stop loss as we go. So my stops are now at the 50. Where is my 100 yard there? I'm actually been with stops now on that daily S1. Okay. So stops are there in profits. So that way it still can run. We've given it that chance. But yeah.
And that trade was actually the.
There we go, Chad. I'm out at that stop loss there, profit. But yeah, happy still TP. Closing it out there in the day. So basically, just that little bit shy. So yeah, basically it was 80 pips we closed that.
Keeks, this is part of the new Big Shaq strat, eh? Chad, this is the skitty pum 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 pum. You haven't seen this. This is not the OES. This is the Big Shaq strat. But that will also be released very soon.
But yeah,
Keeks, just tell them this is not the OES. This is really.
we're not going with the big Shaq, but
No, what was the other name we said? Skitty boom pum pum pum. No stop loss, just TP.
But yeah, Chad, I'm gonna go P for TP. That one is done and dusted.
50 is 50. Quick
Another
math.
week in the blues.
50 is 50. Quick math geeks. Ruan, I think I shot a 92. Let me actually look. Actually, I think I shot a 9. It didn't feel bad, but there were a few holes where there was one hole where I had to reload, so I was already off the tee. 92, yes. So 92, there was a double, triple bogey, double. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it was going relatively well up until hole 8. Yeah, that's at par 5. Literally in front of the green. Hit a little shank into the water. No pressure, just force. Chris, why can't you trade certain news events? It's to protect you, my brother. Because there is quite a bit of volatility during that period and slippage. I don't have a handicap at the moment, Ruan. So back in the day when we played quite a bit of golf, I was playing off of 14. And then I would play like consistently round about 82, 84. Bad round would be like 86, 87. But then we played a lot of golf. I think I played like golf twice a week. So that's like 8 rounds of golf. Sorry, no. So I actually had to play off a scratch in the BMW Cup because if you don't have a handicap, they put you on scratch. So I just literally went for the day. Got a nice BMW golf shirt, goodie bag, BMW. It's little, I don't know, it's like a little travel bag. Got a BMW golf umbrella, BMW water bottle, some stuff in the bag. Scratch, yeah.
Alright, Scribbers, so that's you done for the day, bro?
10 o'clock. No, I'm waiting.
Where we smash TP.
Nah, I don't take that.
Sure.
That's not the OES I trade.
My man's not.
That's
not trusting his brother, yeah.
That's Keegan's own skitty boom 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 pa.
Thought you were. You backed me there, bro.
No, I'll back it if I see it like that. That for me is, it's not.
I've shown you the source.
I'll just keep it nice and simple. No chance that was no, that's not a OS.
No, it wasn't. There's other source there. I think the correct words were, people need to keep me on my toes, but in doing that, you got to first get to my level. So, Plamena, I hope you're taking tips.
Hi. Why is Keegan taking a shot at Plamena? Yeah.
She took the shot at me,
When?
saying she's here to keep me on my toes.
I didn't even
Sure.
see it. Where was this?
Earlier.
Oh, I thought it was now.
No. I'm awake. I'm ready to go.
No, it wasn't an OES. I haven't taken a trade either.
Nah, I'm not taking it seriously, Pamela. It's the joking side. The same with everything else. Yeah, people, if you're taking it serious, then maybe we hit a nerve. But I'm still chilling here. It's just the banter. If we give it, we need to be able to receive it.
No, I haven't taken anything, Chad. I'm actually going to call it here. I just want to show you guys quickly. No pullback, so no pullback, just drive. Okay. I was waiting for that pullback into that zone. Now at the previous daily low, average daily range, so we'll see what happens here. But yeah, if you didn't catch the move with Keegan, no need to chase price. There's quite a bit of volatility coming up.
So just to add to it, guys, that obviously if you did hold and you didn't have your stop loss in profits, that is the full TP. I would close there. You can hold for much longer, but I do think you're getting a bit greedy there. That is a 200 pip move now, so I feel that is your TP. So if you didn't go break even or take your TP, that is TP. Take it and call it your day.
Dollar coming back now. As mentioned, these were the couple of scenarios that we were looking at, potentially rejecting this gray box area, continuing lower. Then obviously we said this area here is going to be a key zone. So dollar also a little bit range bound. US 30, all right, so that was the idea there. We could bounce off Asia high, got your little bounce, then proceeded to break below Asia high. So quite relatively bearish there. NASDAQ coming into that zone. If we get a bounce there, I do think we can continue bullish. Gold for me, I'm going to have to see a pullback. These shallow pullbacks are not enough for me. I'll rather stay out. And then German 30. Yeah, German 30 not getting that bounce there. Absolutely getting crushed to the downside, creating that bottom wick back into, let's see, back into that daily zone. So this is quite an important zone. So we could effectively be trading back in here, Chad, if you think about it. DAX. Yeah, if we reject there, we can actually trade all the way back down there. But yeah, Chad, that is the session. Keegan giving you guys a very nice trade there. Well done, Kigo.
Sure, brother.
Chad, that is going to be me. We've got potentially US data coming out. So 230, if you are trading 230, I salute you. Good luck. I shall not be trading any of these news events. I will trade the aftermath afterwards. But Chad, really do appreciate you guys joining. And we will see you guys later this afternoon. And to end it off for you guys, alrighty, Chad, peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
That's neat. Yeah, big man. Help your man with the shopping. Nah, fam, I'm not about, fam. I'm in Miami, bro. You know man's international now, fam. Check the statistics. Yeah. Alright, soon come. Yeah? Alright, you're done now. Pop. Yo! Big Shaq, the one and only. Man's not hot. Never hot. Skitty cat. Boom. 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park. That girl was a uckers. When the ting went quack, 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 you man was ducking. Hold tight, Asney, my brother. He's got a pumpy, big ting. Hold tight, my man, my guy. He's got a frisbee. I trap on the phone. Moving that cornflakes. Rice Krispies. Whole time I get Whitney. On the road doing 10 toes. Like my toes. You man thought I froze. I see a pen girl on a pose. Chillin'. If she ain't on it, I ghost. Ha! Look at your nose. Check your nose, fam. You donut. Nose long like garden hose. I tell a man's not hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot. Never hot. I tell a man's not hot. Never hot. I tell a man's not hot. Never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot. Never hot. Hop out the 4-door with the 440. It was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Us, man. Chilling in the corridor. Yo, your dad is 44. And he's still calling man for a draw. Look at him. Let him know. When I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Finish. Take man's Twix by force. Take it. Send man shot by force. Send it. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. Flexing. No ketchup. None. Just sauce. Saucy. Raw sauce. Yo. Boom. The ting goes grrrr. Pa, pa, ka, 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 ka. Skitty keep pa, pa, pa. And the poop, poop, grrr, boom, boom. Skia. Do, do, cook, cook, do, doom, doom, boom, boom. You done know.
Talk game legend. Come on. Game. Yo, listen. Legend. Legend.
Boom. Big Shaq, big Khaled. What we saying, Khaled?
They don't want us to win, so we're gonna win more.
We're gonna win more.
Don't play yourself.
Never.
Yourself.
Come on.
Legend.
Come on. I tell a man's not hot. Man's not. I tell a man's not hot. Never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot. Never hot. I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. Never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot. Man can never be hot. Never hot. Perspiration ting. Spray that. Lynx effect. Come on. You didn't hear me, did you? Nah. Use roll-on. Use that. Or spray. Shh. But either way, A, B, C, D. Alphabet ting. The ting goes grrrr. Skitty keep pop, pop, pop. And the poop, poop, grrrr, boom, boom. Skia. Do, do, cook, cook, do, doom, doom. Boom, boom. You done know. Big Shaq. Man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. 40 degrees, that man's not hot. Come on, yo. In the sauna, man's not hot, never hot. Yeah.